Hi everyone, this is my Honda CRV, and there's a dashboard showing the range here and shows the oil life is 15%. So I think this is the time for replace my oil. So let's see what is going on with the oil condition since my last oil change in August. Now this is December year 2024, 4 months drive, 10,000 kilometers. Let's just see. Let's see, this is the oil condition, brown in color. I would say not too bad, but yeah, it's brown, not too bad. Off all the oils, and I'm going to replace my engine oil with this one, full symbolic 5W20. I'm going to check level of the oil and the condition of the oil. So take this out, and here you see. So that's good. Okay, after I change the oil, and I'm going to reset the oil life. So what I'm going to do is press this little button on the right side of the dashboard, and yeah, it shows cancel, and then I swing a little bit, it's flashing 3 degrees Celsius, and I spring to the right a little bit, oil life, and then press the button again, and then yeah, now my oil life reset. You can see 100%. The wrenches shall not be come into my dashboard.